Hi guys, it's Candace. Welcome back. I know, I had to take a day. So, I wanted to do the final flip through of my semi-naked personal challenge for one of the journals, the little bunny garden. And I don't know if you can tell, I did some burlap with lace on the spine, and then I came in and put an extra one of these flowers on top, but I also put the matte paste on there so it feels like leather. And then I put a couple other little sequins on there. So, I know, and this feels, I'm telling you, this matte medium, which let me show you. I know I drank water before I started, but I get it at Hobby Lobby. They do have it on sale when they have their art stuff on sale. It's a Master's Touch, but man, I do like it. It does make it feel leathery. Can you hear? All right, that's enough. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna, show you the little journal cards and stuff that I did in there. Some of these, a lot of these we did together, but a lot of them we didn't because it just takes so long, and I had to like have a craft day to get these things finished, to put all my stuff in there. Oh, I did not put something in there. Shoot. Well, I got this ready. This can go right there. There we go. Now, problem solved. So this is one of the ones that I stamped with my Your Creative Studio August kit. So we'll stick that right in there. And then we have this, just journal card. Like I said, I try to use the majority of everything is from the Junk Journal Studio, Summer's Bounty, and then, some extra junk journal things, but mostly Summer's Bounty kits, because it's so much. One of my little flowers that we made together. This is a note card. Then I took a 2-inch circle, cut it in half, and made a little tab with it. And there's so much room in here for you to decorate and add all whatever you want to it. There's room to grow. So we did these little tag, and then this one is not. This is an Arnie Mays, but this is one of my digitals from the autumn leaves. And I just thought these greens went really pretty with it, so I'm sticking it in there. I know. So there's that pocket. And then these, we did the sack, but I left it empty for you to fill up. And then this has a pocket up top for you to fill up. I know there's plenty more in there, but I had to leave you something to do. And then if you're wondering what this is not the paper sack. This is actually, oh shoot, a Pillsbury Grands biscuit wrapper that I punched with my hole punch. I mean my Mafia punch, my welltail thing. And man, it makes an awesome tag. I mean, nice and thick. I just had to try it and see if it worked. Make sure I'm there. Yeah, okay. And then I did a little overlay pocket on here, and then took one of the journal cards from the kit and then just backed it with some collage painter's paper and put it in there. Plenty of room for you to do your thing to it. Then we did this overlay together. So here's that tag. This is the little pocket, I don't know what I call it, maybe a scroll overlay. I don't know. I know, it's sad, huh? But there's our little overlay here. And then this goes on top. And then our 2 little tags in here. And then I left this one blank on here so you can decorate it. And it's a pocket for you to put something in. And then there's this one that we did together with the little note card. And then a couple little mini tags and whatnots. And then we did this one together. This is a library card that we turned into a tuck spot. we made this big journal card, and it's just simple and easy, but there's plenty of room if you want to zhuzh it up and make it different. I mean, it's there for you to play with. That's why it's a semi-naked. It's like the base, so you can come in and add all kinds of other things to it. So there's that little journal card. And these two little tags from the kit. Run the flowers we made together. Back here, a journal card we made with, you know, getting more from your labels. And then just a large journaling card from the kit. I see tons of stuff. I mean, I started and just couldn't quit, so I had to back away. And then I did this little journal card here without you. I know. And this is from the Mega Birds kit from the Junk Journal Studio. This is one of our freebie labels that's on our Facebook freebies. And then that's the Junk Journal Studio Mega Butterfly kit. And then this is, you know, from the kit. But I tried to do most everything with the Junk Journal Studio kits, because I always mix and match all of the stuff together. And on these three, my challenge was semi-naked, well, Candace semi-naked, and to use the majority, 95%, okay, 99.5% Junk Journal Studio. All right, so we did this little tag, we did this little pocket together, and then the little pocket that we did with all the little mini tucks in here. I know, hello. How did I have it? I think I had it like that. There we go. Some washi from Your Creative Studio, Amazon, and the rest of it is all Junk Journal Studio. And then this little belly band that we did, or I don't know, I think I might have did it. I just put one of our little labels on there and then backed it with some coffee dye. So I know I'm backwards, I'm putting it in upside down, but hey, I'm lefty, what can I say? And then this little pocket, which is a journal card that I glued on there and use it for a side tuck pocket. And just a little postcard from the journal, from the kit. Took one of the little tabs, put another little label on it from the kit. And I don't have a cough drop in my mouth because we've had the windows open all day. And it was high pollen day and it bothered me. So, oh well. And some crinkle coffee dye. And then this is our center spread. I know I got to put some, I'm going to put, this is going to be my little surprise. Because I'm going to have these listed in my Etsy Saturday, which is, I don't even know what day tomorrow is. Anyway, I'll have them up there Saturday after lunch. And so I'm going to put some beads on here and little charms. So we did this, just little definition, the large definition, and we turned them into little pockets. Same on here. And then I did this little flip with an overlay flip with some extra of this paper. And then I took and put a little bulb pin. I know, as soon as I get them moved around, I'm going to pull it up closer. A little bulb pin with some glass seed beads and a kind of bronze leaf on there. I know I don't do that enough, so I thought I would do it on this one. Oh, I got to sneeze. Hold on. Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, so we have these pages, and then this little side tuck that we had made, and I did one of the journal cards from the kit, and then we have a little label from the kit and a ticket from the kit. Oh, you know what? Doggone it. I did the same thing Gail did. How did I even do that? They're not even near each other. What was I poking? Shoot, I gotta go put some washies on there. All right, let me put some red, remind me I can't believe. I don't know what I did. Because that's nowhere near here. So I don't know what happened there. Candace happened. That's what happened. And then we have this double belly band that we made using the tickets and the belly band strip. And then just took a strawberry jam recipe card. Put some free passes for a tab. And, you know, just some of the other little fussy cuts. And then this one, I just put some Nuvo drops and a label. A couple labels on there. Oops, that goes in the middle, Candace. On top. A little fabric snippet. This collage page that we did together. And then this page that I took the thyme and chives little things, turned them into little pockets and kind of put them on there wonky so they would be different. See, I'm doing it with my right hand this time. Now I'm doing this with my left hand. Because I can't put that one in with my left hand for I mean, it's bad. So, anyway. So, we did that. Got some washies and some labels just to decorate the page. I know I got to make sure I'm in sight since I move it around. Real coffee dye paper. Oh. This I left on this one so you can add something to it. Like I said, semi-naked. I know, I'm trying. You know, it's not really semi-naked in everybody else's world, but it is in Candace's world. So this one, I went and put an overlay pocket on here. Then put some apple ephemera from there and a label. And then, yeah, I finally went and printed another one of these. So I have that sheet now. Altered that little tag so it would have something else on there, just so we can use it again. And then, hello, there we go. Oops, wrong way. I know. And then just put some yarn on there. And then this one, I just put a few words. So kindness, plant, and many things grow in the garden. You know, little bunnies grow in the garden. And put some more of that Pillsbury tab on there. I know I really like it. It's nice and thick. And then I did this with my EK flower punch, and then a 1.5 and a 1 1/4 on the butterfly, and just put it on there as a little side tuck. This is just a journal card from the kit. These are all printed on 65-pound paper. This is the other part of the sack, and then this is a top loading pocket for you to decorate, and there's plenty of room for you to add your taste to it. And then back here, same too. There's a pocket there. You got some washi down there. And then we did this little page. It's got the watermelon seed pack that I turned into a pocket with a tag. And then just got, you know, washies on there. And a fabric topper. And then just the 3 of the little bitty tags that are in the kit, and I took a small definition, turned it into a little tuck pocket. And then this is the large seed pocket they had. See, I used all these up. And then I put a tomato on here, because you know bunnies eat carrots. And then they also love to steal your apples and stuff from your apple trees. So that's just a large journal card from the kit that I put some vintage. Actually, I think this is more of an antique because it's old fabric that I have that I got from Frankfort, Kentucky. I know y'all are tired of hearing me saying that, but that's where I got that from. And then I signed and dated it for 2022. And this is a little side tuck. And then some labels. And then I put some of the looks like fabric pattern paper. It's in the pink shade because, you know, the watermelon was kind of pinkish. So I didn't use the harsh red. I used the pink. And then this is another part of the menu for you to decorate. Then the back have the pocket from the kit, and then the 2 little cards from the kit that I put Nuvo drops on there just to give them a little more personality. And then the back pocket with that crazy bird. You know, I was trying to stay with the oranges and stuff. I love that bird. He's so crazy. And then just a plain little journaling card from the kit that you got plenty of room if you want to decorate it up or whatever. So that is the Bunny Garden Journal. And then, like I said, we had these wooden beads that I put on here so we can lace it and tie it up and all that good stuff. And like I said, there's room for expansion. Uh-oh, I've put a knot in there. There's room for expansion. This thing wraps around there 3 times, so you can turn, make it a Bahama Mama with twins if you want. There's room for all of it. So that is the Bunny Garden semi-naked flip through. Oops, not even there. Okay, so, all right, I know this is a short little one, but I want to do them separately so I can put them up in the playlist, So, and like I said, I will get the other little charm and beads put on here, and it will be ready to go Saturday. So, if y'all are interested, check out the Etsy shop, and I will see y'all on the next flip through. Bye, guys. Lots of kisses, lots of love, and thank you for my new subbies. Love, love, love for all my old ones. And y'all just help keep me going, get me up there. Yay, yay. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.